My name is Sarah Everhart, and I'm a legal specialist with the Agriculture Law Education Initiative. This is part 2 in a 4-part series on agricultural water law. What does the MDE consider when deciding whether to grant a water appropriation permit? The Maryland Department of the Environment weighs all respective public advantages and disadvantages and makes all appropriate investigations when deciding whether to grant a water appropriation permit. If the MDE believes from the evidence that the applicant's use provides the greatest feasible utilization of the waters of the state, adequately preserves public safety, and promotes the general public welfare, then it will grant the permit to appropriate the water. In the technical analysis performed by the Department of the Environment, the regulated criteria are known as the 3 R's. The 3 R's are the reasonableness of the water demand, the reasonableness of the impact on the resource, and the reasonableness of the impact on other users. If MDE believes that the proposed appropriation request is inadequate, wasteful, dangerous, or impractical, or detrimental to the public interest, then it may reject the application or suggest modifications to the proposed plan to protect the public welfare and safety. The MDE may also condition the permit to avoid impacts to neighboring property owners and/or natural resources. After a water appropriation permit is issued, the permit holder has an annual obligation to report their monthly water usage to the Department of the Environment. The Department of the Environment uses this data to make accurate assessments of the reasonableness of water appropriation requests and to ensure compliance with the permitted conditions of use. If an operation increases acreage or water use, producers must contact the MDE so that the MDE can re-estimate water demand to determine if an increased allocation may be required. Thank you.